Uh, Good afternoon here today. I am addressing here my appeal or complaint regarding the not necessary complaint but reason. I have to counter the term of my certainty of conveying our online digital algorithm for my encryption to support or to your support or our help for the people. Regarding the justice of our given spirit today, I would like all you to understand or to mean the Supreme Court of the Philippines. I would like you all to overrule the term of my physical shortcoming upon filing certificate of candidacy. As your intel can manage to deliver my case, if ever the Bureau wanted now to be your guide upon embracing my term to be a senatorial candidate already today. I am shouting for the overrule system counter or intervention without filing formally with physical presence but my virtual online encryption today. I am running for the election since 2010 with no interval or skipping any other election. So please help me to be guided there. What the general reason for my skipping account to file is about the problem of the people from my mother reason. So I was able to be in a safekeeping patient or safekeeping agent. I am a safekeeping patient to the sick people, and I'm safekeeping asset for the God government subordinately. They lead from our term. So my IP, Comelec Agency, Supreme Court Justice in the Philippines for our world. I have an IP international. Please be given my term to allow that for our support. So I will wait until it comes to your decision to my name regarding to term in the ballot or to be recorded in the ballot or to be nominated on the ballot. So they are helping our world to us. So we have to comply this implying word or given testament for all the record. I will wait for your company to automatically driven me for the term on the ballot. Thank you and be guided by our time from our God to people. Thank you. Good afternoon.